A bald eagle could easily crush a raven in its talons, but the raven knows exactly what it's doing. The eagle can't attack it without releasing the food, and a raven never gives up. It's this sheer nerve, this character and intelligence that have earned raven a place in myth and legend everywhere in the world where it's found. One story comes from Scandinavia, a curious case of a recurring theft. Deep in midwinter, a fisherman sets his line through a hole in the ice, leaving it unattended in the cold. But in the trees nearby, a raven sits watching and realizes exactly what the stick and line are for. Reeling in the line with beak and foot, the raven steals the catch day after day. The fisherman can scarcely believe his eyes when he finally discovers the identity of the thief.